Hi guys, this is it again. Please like, subscribe, comment to us. If comments only turn on, share it with a friend. Ring the notifications bell to get notified in our next videos and subscribe to our fellow channels. So, our topic looks like an experiment, huh? So, you know who discovered gravity? Yes, it's Isaac Newton. And he even made the 3 laws of motion. The discovery of gravity happened when an apple just fell over his head and then just rolled down to the ground while taking a nap in a tree, in an apple tree. So, if you have a magnet, just draw some metal nails and screw to the magnet, just near the magnet, and then watch how it gets attracted. That's similar to how we fall down. Because of its magnetic force, it just pulls the nails to the magnet. And it acts like gravity. Awesome! The magnetic force of the magnet acts like gravity. So, this is the end of our science video. So, please just do this. There was like something, my screwdriver, you know what? Screwdrivers also have magnets. Okay? Screwdrivers have magnets. That's why sometimes I see like the screw is just attracted to the screwdriver just near its tip. You know what I said earlier? Because of its magnetic force. The magnetic force acts like gravity. So, hi guys. Please like, subscribe, comment to us. If comments only turn on, share it with a friend if you want to. Subscribe to our fellow channels and ring the notifications bell to get notified in our next videos. Bye bye! See you in our next video.